Hello friends, is your engine making a knocking sound, losing power, or is your check engine light on? If your scanner shows P0330, this means there's an issue with your knock sensor 2 circuit on bank 2. Ignoring this issue can lead to poor engine performance, reduced fuel efficiency, and even severe engine damage. In this video, we'll explain what P0330 means, symptoms, sensor location, and how to fix it. Let's get started. P0330 stands for knock sensor 2, circuit malfunction, bank 2. This means that the knock sensor on bank 2 is not functioning properly, preventing the powertrain control module from detecting and correcting engine knocking or detonation. The knock sensor plays a crucial role in optimizing ignition timing for better performance. If the knock sensor malfunctions, the engine may misfire, lose power, and consume more fuel than normal. So here are some common symptoms you might notice if you're dealing with a P0330 code. First, you'll likely see the check engine light come on. You might also hear engine knocking or pinging sounds. Reduced power and poor acceleration can be another sign. Increased fuel consumption is something else to watch for. Engine hesitation or misfires are also common symptoms. And finally, you might experience harsh or rough idling. Ignoring this issue can lead to severe engine damage over time. The knock sensor 2, or KS2 for bank 2, is located in these areas. Typically you'll find the knock sensor on the engine block, cylinder head or intake manifold on the side opposite bank 1. Also, check the wiring harness and connectors. Look for loose, broken, or corroded wires leading to the knock sensor. If the sensor and wiring seem fine, the issue might be with the powertrain control module, or PCM. Faulty knock sensor. The sensor may be worn out or damaged. Wiring issues, loose, shorted, or corroded wires can disrupt the signal. Excessive engine carbon buildup. Too much carbon in the cylinders can cause incorrect knock readings. Low quality fuel. Using fuel with a lower octane rating than recommended can lead to knocking. PCM failure. A malfunctioning PCM may not process knock sensor signals correctly. Step 1. Scan for additional codes such as P0325 or P0331 to check for related issues. Step 2. Locate the knock sensor on bank 2 and inspect it for any visible damage or corrosion. Step 3. Check and clean the wiring harness and connectors for any loose or broken connections. Step 4. If carbon buildup is found in the engine, clean the combustion chamber. Step 5. Use higher octane fuel if required to reduce knocking. Step 6. If necessary, replace the knock sensor and clear the trouble code. Step 7. If the issue persists, test or reprogram the PCM. Step 8. Clear the codes and take a test drive to confirm the repair. A faulty knock sensor 2 on bank 2 can lead to loss of power, poor fuel economy, and even severe engine damage if ignored. Fixing P0330 will restore smooth performance and prevent costly repairs. Want to learn more about related issues? Watch these next videos. P0316, engine misfire detected on startup, and P0317, rough road detection signal malfunction. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more expert car repair tips.